How to get Viber dating feature. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Viber dating is a new feature introduced by Viber which lets you meet new people and connect through Viber. This is perfect for those of you looking for something more than just messaging. So let's dive right in. First of all, make sure to update your Viber app. Since it's the latest release, it must be rolling out slowly and is only available in beta version currently. However, it has been rolling out slowly, so it is recommended to switch accounts to become a beta tester. This way, you will get the feature in advance than the other applications. Once you have done so, head over to the Discover section in your Viber application. Once you tap on Viber dating option, you will see a pink join button. Click on that to proceed. This will now show you a few important details about the dating feature. And that's it. You are now ready to try new Viber dating feature. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.